Hey, hello guys. Welcome back to my another new video. So in this video, I'd be talking about BCA, that is Bachelor of Computer Applications, and MCA, Master of Computer Applications. What are these BCA and MCA? So BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications, I've seen many people they do BCA, but many people don't know about BCA. So BCA is Bachelor of Computer Applications and MCA is the Master of Computer Applications. BCA is a bachelor course and MCA comes after the BCA. So the core IT subjects include the C, C++, Java, Python programming, DBMS, operating systems, and computer networks. BCA focuses on the undergraduate level fundamentals, where MCA focus on advanced studies like AI, software engineering, mobile technologies. So BCA has the programming subjects which include programming in C, data structures, object-oriented programming using C++ and Java. So these are the good number of subjects which overlap with the computer science subjects. So these are the you know the direct subjects that the BCA students study, which are related to the real world job. There are no additional subjects which are not contributing to the job. The other subjects that are there is mathematics for computer science. Basically, whatever maths is required for computer science, I think it includes probability, it includes some amount of statistics, you know the mathematics which is related to data science and all. So that is the mathematics that is used. And then there is computer science core subjects, which is the computer architecture, how the computer architecture looks like, what are the different peripherals of the computer, the operating systems, what is the different types of operating system, what is an operating system, you know the database management systems. So these all fundamentals are taught to the BCA students. Then there comes the fundamentals of the computer networks, how the computer networks look like, what is the Linux and system programming. Then there is applications like web technologies, HTML, CSS. Then there is software engineering. Then post this there is Master of Computer Applications, that is postgraduate program. Here the graduates will focus on the specialized knowledge, specialized in-depth application development and software project management. So the advanced programming subjects are advanced Java, Python, advanced data structures. Then the advanced systems subjects are advanced operating systems, advanced computer networks, computer compiler design. Then there are subjects related to database and AI, which includes advanced database management system, artificial intelligence, machine learning. Then there are subjects which are related to software engineering, the project management, organizational behavior. So these will help a person to develop the organizational qualities, like what are the qualities that a person must be having in order to work in an organization, like the soft skills required, the business knowledge required, the technical knowledge required. Then there is the fundamentals of software engineering, like how the software engineering life cycle works, the agile life cycle, how the life cycle starts, how the life cycle ends, and what are the different tasks that you will be getting assigned. Then there are specialized topics like wireless communication, mobile communication, network security for the network related roles. So as you can all see, the subjects that are proposed in BCA and MCA programs, so these are all the core subjects. These are all the fundamental as well as the core subject. In the fundamentals, you have the computer architecture, you have the operating systems, you have the computer networks. Whereas for the coding, for the coding and programming, you have DBMS, you have machine learning, you have AI, you have HTML, CSS as well. So BCA and MCA offers a good amount of knowledge. So if a person who tries after 12th, who tries to take you know BE, who tries to opt to BE directly, instead of opting into some different branches which he is not sure of, like people usually opt into random branches which they don't hear about, like they opt into biotech, they opt into chemical. I'm not saying that these branches are not useful. Definitely these branches do also have this scope. These branches are also very you know they also have their separate demand as well. But you know if you're not if your aim is not doing those specific job roles related to your branch, like if you're doing chemical, if you're not willing to do the chemical related work, and if you are from biotech, if you're not related to biotech related work, if you are from production engineering, you're not ready to do production engineering job roles, then you will not apply what you have read. So when majority of the people, they, what happens is they hop into the IT jobs, whatever they read, whatever they study, so they try to come into the IT related jobs. So if you really want to come into IT related jobs, it's better that you read and focus on the IT related subjects. So if for as far as the BCA and MCA concerned, I think this integrated program for bachelor's at computer applications, so this provides a well exposure towards the IT related subjects, and then you can do MCA for the specialization. So even if you have taken some, even if you have opted for the bachelor's of engineering, make sure that you read the related and helpful subjects that will be helpful in the future. So in the B, what happens is you have many subjects, and those subjects might not be useful for you. Like you might read CAD, you might read engineering, physics, you might read chemistry, you might read maths. Maths is somewhat useful, but when it comes to physics, chemistry, and those subjects which are non-IT related, so you spend time, or you spend additional time for those subjects as well. So what you should be doing is, even if you have chosen BE, that is Bachelor of Engineering, you see that you are working towards the computer related subjects like the Bachelor of Computer Applications, Master of Computer Applications, the subjects that BCA and MCA has. So you can just go through these subjects, and you can also ask, or you can also talk with the people who are doing this BCA and MCA integrated programs, so that you can learn from them. At least they would be sharing and helping you with whatever they are learning. So they usually will be learning these subjects, the DBMS, the operating systems, the mathematics, the artificial intelligence, the machine learning. So at least if you have not chosen, you can you know uh, ask them, you can study from them. So that is what you can do. I hope this video is to propagate the subjects which might not seem useful or important, as these programs have not been talked enough, like the BCA and MCA. Usually BE programs are talked about more, but the BCA and the MCA programs are not often talked. I've seen many BCA MCA graduates doing well in the areas of their work, in the areas of IT, in whatever work they are doing. I've seen them propel. I've seen them working very well compared to the BE students also, many times. So these are the programs, the BCA MCA. So these are often not talked about. So that's why I decided to make a video on this and let you know about what BCA actually offers and what MCA offers, so you can think about it.